Are you in touch with who you are and what you want? How you doing today? Lenny Wennerstrom. And for the passage for May 1st, which is day 122, there are 244 days left in the year. And guess where we are? A third of the year through. 33.33% complete with 2024. Isn't that kind of cool? A third. So we still have 2/3. You have 2/3 of the year to find your purpose, activate your purpose, lean into your purpose, all of that. I'm Lenny Wennerstrom, and with Dr. Shad Helmstetter's book, 365 Days of Positive Self-Talk for Finding Your Purpose. This is a tool that with his blessing, we are using to help you find your purpose. You and me, we're using this so that it can inspire you, guide you, give you these self-talk phrases, which are super powerful. Hopefully you understand by now the power of neuroplasticity, and that you have this plastic, malleable, not plastic in the sense that it's plastic in the sense that it's malleable. It moves, it's constantly rewiring itself until the day you take your last breath, whereas you may have been told that once you reach 18 or 25 or at some magical age that your brain is done and what you have is what you have. And it has been proven through science that that is absolutely untrue. And you're constantly rewiring your brain. You can retrain your brain for success in every single area of your life. Your negative programs that are running that say that you're in lack, you don't have enough, you are not enough, you're not strong enough, you're not whatever it is. All these excuse me, programs of lack, they're just programs, and you get to change those. Now that is really good news. So let's read the passage for May 1st, which is, and these are yours, these are self-talk phrases that you get to say. And you can say them every morning and every night 3 times. Repeat them 3 times in the morning, right when you wake up, 3 times at night. Or you can just get the app, right? You can get the self-talk app and choose just to listen passively as that self-talk app, which is always in the description in my videos. And you can get that free for 30 days, 21 days to change a habit, or however many days. And you can just listen passively. That is going to change your life. Okay, and that's a promise, by the way, if you're consistent with it. So, because it's science, it's not because Lenny's promising you, although I am, because I'm watching it with my clients, my family, and my friends who are doing it. So let's read the passage for today. Today, I choose to be at my best and make my day work in every positive way. Today, I'm completely in touch with who I am, what I want, and where I'm going. Today is a day I move my life forward. I know what I want to accomplish. I take action. I go for it, and I get it done. What are we talking about here? We're talking about setting goals. And active goal setting is the process of deciding what it is that you really want. What do you want in life? Have you ever just sat down and said, well, and you say your name, and you say, what is it that I really want in life? What do I want to be doing with my life? And it's not where do I want to be 5 years from now, 10 years from now. What is it that drives you? And the reason I'm here with you every single day is because it's about your purpose. Your purpose gives you meaning. Your purpose gives you, sorry about that. I got a big notification on my phone. But your purpose gives you direction. You are in a boat with a rudder. You're not just floating. You know, we've talked about this a lot. The boat floating along, sorry for all the traffic, but the boat floating around and without a rudder, and it's just being, wherever the waves take you. Have you ever felt like that? I know there was a very big period of time in my life that I've shared with you before, and it was just whatever, whoever, it was just getting through life, getting through the day, getting through the month, and it'd be the end of a month, like we're at the beginning of a month, and I'd look back and say, man, where'd that time go? Like, what did I do? What did I accomplish? Like, did I even want to, like, did I even think about it? Or it's just like, wow, the year's just going by already. Like, look at where we're at. This is being in a rudderless boat, because what I am offering you is the opportunity for you to really dig deep and say, what is it that I really want? I have this one lifetime. What do I really want? Do I want to be in a boat and go, I want to go here, I want to go there, say, ahoy, where's my purpose? It's all about your purpose. Your purpose gives you meaning, gives you direction in your life, and it's all within. You don't have to be searching. No, it's not outside of you. It's within. What feels easy? What feels right? What feels so simple that it's just too easy? Anyone could do it, because that's what so many of us say, which is a program, because the truth is, your self-esteem, that's self-esteem or lack thereof, not anyone can do it. It's not acknowledging that you are very, very special. You are unique. You came here for a reason. What's your purpose? Why are you here? And that's a deep subject, because it's very difficult to just start from nowhere and say, why am I here? This is a self-discovery journey. And this is why I'm here with you every single day, because these phrases can help you. More than anything, what can help you is the app, which is not my app. It's Dr. Shad Helmstetter's app. And that app is going to shift and transform you passively. Like, it takes no extra time. You literally put it on at the same time every single morning, and then before you go to sleep. 15 minutes. That's all. And you're not even listening. You're brushing your teeth, you're driving to work, you're working out, you're making breakfast, you're whatever it is you're doing, maybe not watching television, but when you're active going throughout your day, you put it on, and you're not even actively listening to what's being said, because that is programming your brain. You were born, when you were first born, when you came into the world and went whoop, slipped right out of your mommy and came into the world, you were born programmed for success. You weren't even programmed. You were born to be successful in every single area of your life. Your potential was unlimited, untapped, and then you started your journey. And then you started having people tell you what you couldn't do, what you maybe could do, who you weren't, who you were, what you were supposed to do, learn, think, be, all of those things, mostly with good intentions, but people with programs telling you all these things. And you took those, and then you started telling yourself these things. This is the mental programming. The brain is the hardware on this 3D planet. The brain is the hardware. The programs are the software, and they're constantly, your input is your output. So if you understand now that you are in control of that input, and this app it's a self-talk language. It's not about the app. The app is just how you have it on your phone and you can listen at any time. It's the language that Shad Helmstetter has created that is like learning Spanish, French, German, English if it's a second language, whatever. It's a language, and it's the conjugating of the verbs, it's all of it. So it's the nouns, the verbs, it's the whole enchilada, all of it. So this is a language, and so you learn it. You listen passively, just like you learned English. You were not, or your first language, you were not in crib school, in your little crib, and there was the teacher saying, okay, cutie butt, now we're going to do the conjugations of verbs. Now we're going to talk about how cute you are. Now, that didn't happen. So how did you learn to speak English? How did you learn to speak your first language, whatever that is? You learned passively. And this is how you learn another language. So this app, which is just the delivery system to make it convenient and easy to do, is what delivers that language, that positive self-talk language, to rewire your brain with the programs that you choose. And you get to choose, like, self-esteem, success in business and personal, in controlling your life, controlling time management, organizing your life, relationships, winning with people, having successful relationships, career, like every financial success, all of it. It's all in that app. You choose the programs you want to listen to, and you just take 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes at night, and you just stick with that, and you will transform your life. And it may take like the 3 weeks to change a habit, or 21 days. That's kind of an average, and it all really depends on how intentional you are. Like, I'm going to do this. Then you could just be one of those people that 21 days, you're overcoming your programs, like in 21 days, that literally the self-doubt, all of that starts just lifting and rewiring with the mental programs that you choose to put into your brain. I hope I'm saying this clearly, because this is so powerful that you can transform yourself very quickly. You will feel more positive. You will feel uplifted. You will start setting goals. You will start achieving those goals. I mean, all of the things that you were intentional about, what it is that you want, that's what you can do for yourself. Why am I here? Because I want you to have success in every single area of your life. Your personal, your business, so financial, career, your relationships, your personal growth, your spiritual growth, whatever it is where you want to have success, you can create that for yourself. So the passage for May 1st, today I choose to be at my best and make my day work in every positive way. Today I'm completely in touch with who I am, what I want, and where I'm going. Today is a day I move my life forward. I know what I want to accomplish. I take action, I go for it, and I get it done. And yes, you do. I love you so very, very much. You can do this. I believe in you. As always, shining my light to brighten yours. And we'll see you for May 2nd. Love you mucho. Ciao.